Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. That depends on the time that you open this video. So as you can see, today we're going to talk about the course called Management Control System. So the key point that I'm going to go through it. So we want to go for introduction of Management Control System. That's where we go on understanding first of all what is management, what is control, and what is system. And also we try to go for the lesson number 2 to understand about the budgeting for planning and controlling. So without delaying, the key word in this concept of management control system, as I said before, we have management, we have control, and a system. So you can ask yourself, what is management? Management is a process of dealing with or controlling things or people. So when you are dealing with or when you are controlling the things and people, at that time we are doing management. So and also management defined as all activities and tasks undertaken for achieving a goal. So all activities and tasks that are taken for achieving goals, this is also management, like when you are planning, organizing, reading, and controlling. Also, this is management. Another point is control. So as you know, a control or controlling is one of the most important functions of a manager in order to seek planned results from the subordinates. So manager need to exercise effective control over the activities of subordinates. So in other words, so the meaning of controlling function can be defined as it is to ensure that activity in organization are performed as per the plans. So the function of a manager for this controlling is therefore to try to compare the plan, the performance of today with the what you have planned before. So without delaying, I want to go now to this concept, management control system. So when you say management control system, it is a system which gather and use information to evaluate the performance of different organization resources. When you say organization resources, like human, physical, financial. So in other words, this management control system, it is a system which is there for help us to evaluate the performance of a different organization resources. Now, when you say management control is used to describe all policies and procedures put in place by operation or by organization or by managers. So now there are synonyms of this management control system, and sometimes it is called internal control or internal auditors. This is what we call management control. So different managers perform different responsibility in organization, and therefore different kind of information are needed by them to manage the activities in the respective areas. So also management control system, it aims to provide a financial as well as non-financial information as needed by different managers. So management control acts through the following phases. So management control system helps us when you are planning, when you are programming things, when you are trying to see the result checking, shifting analysis, and also when you are taking collective action implementation. So I hope you see it well. This is introduction about this chapter. As you see, for the introduction of management control system. So thank you for attention, thank you for listening, and I want you to go through it and understanding it well, and you try to make comment there below for more explanation. So